Welcome back to Auto Insight, the place where passion meets performance and every new reveal feels like a front row seat to the future of driving. Today, the spotlight is on something sleek, powerful, and unmistakably bold. BMW has officially unveiled the next generation 2026 BMW Z4 in an all-black specification, and it brings a fresh blend of luxury, sportiness, and cutting-edge design that redefines what a modern roadster should be. At first glance, the 2026 BMW Z4 Black makes an immediate statement. The low-slung stance feels more aggressive than ever, with sharper body lines flowing effortlessly from the long hood to the compact rear. The signature kidney grille has evolved with a darker, more refined finish, seamlessly blending into the sculpted front bumper. Slim LED headlights add a focused, predatory look, while the blacked-out exterior accents give the car a stealthy presence that turns heads even when standing still. This is a roadster designed not just to be seen, but remembered. Moving along the sides, the Z4's proportions feel perfectly balanced. The wide wheel arches house newly designed alloy wheels finished in gloss black, complementing the car's overall theme. Subtle aerodynamic enhancements improve airflow while maintaining the clean elegance BMW fans expect. Around the back, the taillights are slimmer and more three-dimensional, paired with a sportier rear diffuser that hints at the performance waiting under the hood. Step inside, and the 2026 BMW Z4 Black welcomes you into a cockpit that feels both futuristic and driver-focused. The interior is wrapped in premium black leather with refined contrast stitching, creating an atmosphere of understated luxury. Every surface feels carefully crafted, from the soft touch materials to the brushed metal accents that add a modern edge. The low seating position immediately connects the driver to the road, reinforcing the Z4's true sports car DNA. Dominating the dashboard is BMW's latest curved digital display, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless unit. The interface is crisp, intuitive, and fully customizable, allowing drivers to prioritize performance data or navigation with ease. Ambient lighting subtly outlines the cabin, offering multiple color options that enhance night drives without distracting from the road ahead. The redesigned steering wheel feels thicker and more precise, giving confident feedback during spirited driving. Comfort has not been overlooked. The sports seats provide excellent support while remaining comfortable enough for long journeys. Advanced climate control, premium audio, and smart connectivity features ensure that every drive feels refined and enjoyable. Despite being a roadster, the Z4 still offers practical storage solutions, making it suitable for both weekend escapes and daily use. Performance remains at the heart of the Z4 experience. The 2026 model promises improved handling dynamics, thanks to a lighter chassis and refined suspension tuning. Whether cruising along open highways or attacking winding roads, the Z4 Black delivers a perfect balance of agility and stability. The driving modes allow the car's character to shift from relaxed touring to aggressive sportiness at the push of a button. In the end, the officially unveiled 2026 BMW Z4 Black is more than just a visual update. It represents BMW's commitment to keeping the roadster spirit alive in a world rapidly moving toward electrification and automation. With its striking design, immersive interior, and thrilling driving feel, this next generation Z4 proves that pure driving pleasure still has a powerful place on the road. Stay tuned with Auto Insight for more exclusive reveals and deep dives into the cars shaping tomorrow.